Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when it says Microsoft.NET Framework Unhandled exception has occurred in your application. And how you can fix this, let's get started. First open the start menu and then type turn Windows features on or off. Click on this and then it will open this. Now what you have to do is select these both .NET files. Just make sure these both are checked. Once you check them all, now just click on OK and then this will pop up. Now what you have to do is click on let Windows Update download the files for you. After this it will download the files which is required for your PC, and then hopefully your problem solves. Just restart your PC, and then if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.